Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me in my kitchen today. My name is Whitney Kometz, a nutrition educator out of CCE Chenango County, and today watch me as I prepare lentil taco filling. You're going to begin by getting a skillet ready and putting about a teaspoon of oil in your pan, oil of your choice that you have at home. And then we're also going to be adding in your onions, peppers, and potentially the garlic. But I'm actually going to use garlic powder. So what we're going to do is we're going to get all of this sauteed about 3 minutes or so. For these vegetables, you basically just want to get them tender. Okay, my veggies are looking nice and tender right now. So now I'm going to add in half a cup of dried lentils. I'm going to add in the 4.5 teaspoons of chili powder, the 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, the cumin, which is 1 teaspoon, and then a 1/4 teaspoon of that oregano. So I'm going to add all of that in. Basically, you just want to give this a nice stir for about a minute. Blend all of this in. So now we're going to be adding in 1 1/4 cups of broth of your choice. And we're going to bring this to a boil. Okay, so this is come to a boil now. We're going to reduce the heat. We're going to cover this pan and we're going to start it at 20 minutes. Go from there. We want to check it to make sure the lentils are okay. And basically you just want to make sure the lentils still have a bit of liquid. So you may have to add a little bit of water, but we're going to cover this now just on low heat and let it cook for 20 minutes. Okay, so we're at 20 minutes right now. There's still a little bit of liquid. I just tested the lentils. They're pretty soft. We're going to let it go for 5 more minutes. We'll shut it off. And then voila, we're ready to go. You can use it over a bed of lettuce greens or maybe some rice to have. Or you can even use a whole wheat tortilla like I'm going to be using today. Okay, the filling is all set. There's a little bit of liquid, but that's okay. And I am so excited to try this now. So I'm going to try mine on a whole wheat wrap with a little bit of the filling. And let's see what it tastes like. So tasty, and it tastes just like it would as if it was a real taco with the meat. Thank you so much for joining me today, guys, and we'll see you next time with What's Cooking with Whitney. Take care, everybody.